Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for being a part of the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. Exciting week. Let's get this Monday off right. We're going to talk about Bitcoin a little bit. And because it's going to be a very, very exciting ride with the Bitcoin halving, new presidential regime, 2024. I want to put something in perspective for you guys in this video because you could be basically part of the last 12%. All right. And that's something where I think it doesn't really go said as much as it should be. So I'm going to take the time to make a video and break it all down for you guys. We'll take a quick look at the chart for Bitcoin, give you guys my thoughts on your way out. But please, if you have not yet joined, you're going to want to stick around the end of this video. Subscribe down below, smash that like button, all that good stuff. Let's get down into it, guys. All right. And as I said, Bitcoin pressing that 37,600 level. Very, very strong move up into the green. We've had a lot of talk with Argentina in being their potential currency. Very, very strong moves coming out from Bitcoin. But more so as we get into exactly what we're seeing, let's look at the chart real quick. Here we are, pacing the market, flat basically, but up 0.47% at the time of this recording. More so in the last 6 months, 38%, and year to date, we're seeing that 127% climb. All right. So it's very strong maneuvers that we're seeing from Bitcoin. This bullish momentum is continuing very, very strongly. But more so, let's talk about exactly what I came here to tell you and how you could be one of the last 12% with the opportunity to buy Bitcoin. There's only 12% left of the supply, guys, and that's what's very important to put in perspective. We talk about a lot of new cryptos and the tokenomics and the supply and demand and the scarcity within that crypto. Well, Bitcoin now is at that 12%, okay? And of that supply, that has not budged in the last 3 months, and it's holding its value, okay? So 88% of the Bitcoin out there is holding strong, hodling, if you will. Okay, and that just supports the belief for long-term Bitcoin holders of its value intrinsically and just being basically the digital pioneer of crypto. Okay. So that's where we're going to see for the future. There's only 12% left essentially. And what that entails for us as investors, as enthusiasts in crypto, is going to be very exciting. The halving next year, as well as what we have in store with the next bull cycle. Scarcity is going to suggest an inevitable uptick in value for Bitcoin. Okay? We all know what that's going to do to altcoins as well. The Bitcoin dominance factor, as well as that correlating effect that we see with other cryptos, is real. Okay? But it comes down to one main point here, guys. Bitcoin is becoming rarer and rarer as the seconds tick on. Okay? More supply is becoming liquid. And if you're looking to buy Bitcoin, you're going to face more competition. And we all know how basic economics, or tokenomics for this matter, will apply. Bitcoin's price will continue to ascend. And at one point in time, you know, we have Satoshis out there and whatnot. But there's going to be a point in time where not everybody's going to be able to afford to buy a Bitcoin. Okay? And I think that's just basically further backed up with the trends we're seeing right here, right now with the Bitcoin market. So I wanted to break it all down for you guys. Obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But I wanted to give you guys my thoughts on this topic. It's a very underappreciated thought process, I think, that goes along with Bitcoin and coincides with the rest of the crypto market. But here's where we are at. So we're going to be covering a lot of Bitcoin talk, a lot of crypto talk on this channel. Subscribe down below. Like I said, smash that like button as well. And for those of you that are returning, I thank you. And for those that are new to the channel, I thank you as well. But we'll see you all in the next video.